Hey guys, Rob Caputo here, and I'm over at AutoZone, and I want to check out what kind of griots products they have here. I'm sure they have a few different griots products here. I believe I've seen a few items of theirs, and again, they're a great company. They've been around a long time, and I'm not saying that because I usually go on their live chats and I win some prizes.
Talking with Cars wins the jerry can, the original roadside savior, sure to get you over the river and through the woods.
But with some of my questions, like I recently did, but you know, they do make excellent products, and there's a few of them out there that are kind of like standouts, you know, and I want to see if they have them here at AutoZone. Maybe I'll purchase something, you know, and just kind of like, you know, help promote that brand. How do you even pronounce griots? Is it griots? Is it griot? Let's have them explain.
How do you pronounce griotsgarage? Griots. Griots? Nice try, but no. Gritos? No. Griots? Nutritious, but no. Grits? Another one of my favorites, but no. G-Riot. College nickname, not correct. Griots. Try again. Griots. Griots. That sounds right.
But yeah, griots has been around a long time, since 1991. Richard Griots is the owner, that's the father, and the son is kind of grooming to take over soon. So excellent company, excellent products. There are a couple like outliers, I would call them, like the ceramic 3-in-1 wax that is a really good spray sealant, and you know, their towels, their dual weave towels are excellent. The drying towels and the interior towels are excellent. So let's go inside AutoZone, check out what they got. I'm curious to see what they have, and we'll talk about a couple of them.
A few moments later.
So when I walked in the store, one of the first things I was looking at was a ceramic glass cleaner. I've never used it before, but next to it was the ceramic 3-in-1 wax, and that's the product that everyone talks about. It's a really good topper, very easy to install, and an excellent smell. The other one was the Best of Show Detailer. I've used this in the past. It's excellent if you have some dust on the car and you just want to like basically clean it off real quick with a towel at a car show. That's perfect. Ceramic Speed Shine, same thing. It's got a little bit of a ceramic in it, so that's gonna like enhance whatever ceramic top coat you have. Let's see what else. The car washes, the snow foam. I do want to try the snow foam. The snow foam, this is like a huge container too, but you're supposed to use like 4 ounces of material for every time that you use your snow foam cannon. So you are using a lot of material. It's supposed to get rid of all the grime and all that kind of stuff, but it is supposed to be very good. So I'm anxious to try that. The water spot remover, perfect for situations where you have like, you know, maybe some spots on your glass or your car and you just want to wipe it off. They have their G9 orbital polisher. This is the 6-inch. So this is the one that I use typically. This is like a different version of it, but let's see what else they have. Their polishes, liquid wax. Their polishes are excellent. I've always used their polishes. They didn't have the fast correcting cream or correcting cream here, but they did have the complete polish and the ceramic all-in-one wax, which is good, you know, if you're looking to kind of just piece something together, just polish and then apply a ceramic coating at the same time. Probably a mild ceramic coating, but nothing like in those vial containers. They have a little foaming sprayer, which I thought was interesting. This is new too. I never seen this before, but this is like a little clay kit. So it comes with the clay rag and the clay towel, I should say, and then the lubricant. And obviously they're trying to sell their ceramic coating products, but that was new.
Talking with cars, this is a great question. So you're going to win another gift. I'm calling that out. Which car do you think truly blends incremental beauty with perfect mechanics?
You asking me, or are you going to answer that first?
Well, I think we should both answer it. I like the ISO Revolta.
Oh, your own, home baked
Home-
car creation.
Well, but even the original one had a Corvette engine in it. It easily outran a Ferrari in its day, and I think the original designer was Giugiaro, who just is like has hit after hit after hit. I just think it all comes together with that car. Italian leather, Italian design, designed by Giugiaro, and then it had a nice, robust American V8. So,
Yeah.
with a ZF 5-speed, if you were really lucky to get that.
Yeah, I think it's a tough question for me. I think like my default, my like favorite car of all time that clearly checks both those boxes is the 1962-63 Ferrari 250 GTO. Like the race one.
Yeah.
300 like extremely beautiful car. I mean, just a wild like E-type coupe plus, right?
Successful in racing.
Successful in racing.
Stunning on the road.
Absolutely gorgeous. Not many of them. I mean, they're untouchable, right? I mean, they're trading for like $75 million.
Yeah.
But that checks a box. And what's unfortunate is modern cars that can perform in such a crazy way. I mean, they're taking a lot of risk design-wise because they have to pass safety standards and stuff. Like Gordon Murray's new cars, insane,
man. Yeah.
and pure relative to
Yeah.
manual transmission, naturally aspirated, lightweight, like the same formula that made the McLaren F1 successful. But they're edgier, right? I mean,
Yeah.
they're really pretty and slight, but
I hate to
they're not. I don't know if
say
it says
this.
timeless.
Yeah.
In my mind, design-wise.
Alrighty.
Talking with Cars wins the Jerry Can,
Oh,
the
yeah.
original roadside savior, sure to get you over the river and through the woods.